Utilization of waste glass in translucent and photocatalytic concrete. The objective of this paper is to find a way to use waste glass in the concrete and produce translucent and photocatalytic concrete with a good mechanical properties and suppress alkali-silica reaction. The material is used in this site. Waste glass of uh, different size, powder glass, glass in particles to 0 and 1, 0 and 3, 0 and 8, and 0 and 14 millimeters. Cement type 1, the 52.5, the white color. Common aggregates, those pozzolanic materials, and 2 photocatalytic of the titanium oxide, iodide, and chronocline. Two series were designed and developed with washed glass and another with a glass in delivery condition. For the first series, 5 mixtures are obtained. The first two are mixtures where the aggregates are replaced by glass, but the first one is applied fly ashes like a glutinous material. 4 and 5 are mixtures of glass aggregate and common aggregate where the stain is replaced by glass powder or coarse aggregates. The relation cement-water is more higher because the flow in the beginning. For the second series contains 4 mixtures in where is replaced coarse aggregate by coarse waste was glass. Due to the treatment of the glass powder, this is not used for the second series. Is used powder limestone as binder material with blast furnace slag are used to meet the aesthetic and white color. For the side is applied for test. One compressive and pressure strength test. It's each mixture generate a specimen where the organic waste in the glass delay at the setting time and distort the hydration of the cement. Therefore, the resistance test of 1 day in samples such 1, 2, and 5 were not evaluated, and 3 and 4 no tests were generated for early age. Compression and flexion graph shows the use of washed glass is detrimental to resistance, and the second series can be seen the change of powder limestone. The resistance is greatly affected unless it's reduced the weight cement ratio. Obtain resistance between 40 and 45 megapascals. As for the binder, the effect is less when untreated glass is used. 2. Alkali-silica reaction test. Based on the main sample, the effect alkali-silica reaction is less in sample 1 and 2. This is due to the use of fly ashes in combination with a larger glass particles, although this indicates that the powder glass can reduce alkali-silica reaction. It can be demonstrated industrial because one the series of not contained. In the second series, the use of GGBS instead fly ashes and the treatment of glass shows the expansion is greater than a reference sample. In for sample 9, this has higher GGBS content. The effect reduced, indicating that could be efficient for the reduction of the alkali-silica reaction in certain concentrations. 3. 3. Translucency. Only 2 series specimens are obtained for this test due to the white and aesthetic finish. From manufactured beams, tiles of different thickness are obtained. In this can be seen that there is relationship between the translucency of the tiles with respect of thickness of tile, the size of aggregates and quantity. If the effect is seen in the mixer 9 with more aggregates. Fourth, photocatalytic air pollutant oxidation, PCO. To demonstrate the effectiveness of the oxide titanium photocatalytic in the relation glass particles. 12 different mixtures are obtained, 6 of the reference and 6 with glass aggregates. To this concentration of oxide nitrogen and ultraviolet light is applied. It can be shown that the use of waste glass used in particular can improve the PCO. However, the concentration that is used for cement particle tends to give the same results. This could be the effect of the flow control and result with the system.